My name is Ridhi, and friends, do you know about Mynta? It is an app from which we can order anything: clothes, shoes, dresses, gowns, even frocks, Christmas things, Diwali, langa choli, and many more things. So, do you want to know what I have bought from my Mynta, my own home app? Do you know, friends, in Mynta, I get 50% offer every time. Every time. And in this, I'm thinking that I have to unbox it. Sorry, it's unwrapping. So friends, if you know about Mynta, give 50,000 likes to this video. So we are cutting the whole packet, and in this packet we are having an cloth. Let me give you an hint. A hint is of I think you have not understand. So let us see what is in this packet. Let us don't waste the time, because time is wasting. So we have to unwrap this. Friends, do you know? Friends, do you?
हो गया हो गया बंद कर दो
दो
हो गया
नहीं हुआ
हो गया